My name is Slade Ham. I live in Houston, Texas, but I've spent the last 20 years traveling around the world, performing stand-up comedy in 50-plus countries on 6 continents. If traveling has taught me anything, it's that we're all looking at the same thing from different places. We're solving the same problems with different vectors of attack. So come with me, even if I do sound like Matthew McConaughey trying to sell you a car. There's some things I want to show you, and I promise it won't be boring.